Guys, welcome to this training. If you are a real estate agent, guys, this is how you can get leads, clients and customers without cold calling, guys. Guys, I have been there, right? Yeah, many years ago. Cold calling, it sucks. But by using Google in the right way and target people that are looking for real estate services, you do not need to ever cold call again. It's a horrible feeling when you cold call in and they're not expecting your call, they're not in that right mindset, and sometimes they might even put the phone down on you, they might not even be interested in what you have to say, or they'll just say anything just to get you off the phone. Now, with Google, it is so magical, guys. It is so powerful. It's not like Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn. People are going to Google and they are typing things like real estate agent near me, local real estate agents, how to sell my condo home. And this is how you do it, guys. I'm going to show you how to get leads, clients and customers for your real estate business without cold calling, okay? And here's what we need to do. So firstly, cold calling. Forget that, guys. That's my attempt at a phone, by the way. So what you need to do is you need to target at least 5 keywords in a sentence that people will be using on Google. We've got some real estate agents inside of our Google coaching program. We have tested this with them and it was so powerful. And what I say by 5 keywords minimum. So it could be things like, and you'll see it on the screen below now, so things like how to hire a local real estate agent. That's one long-term keyword. How to find a local real estate agent. Right, another keyword. How to sell my condo home in California. Can you see, guys, I'm using lots of different keywords, but here's the thing, guys. This is what makes it so powerful for you as a real estate agent, is that people are going to Google, they're actually wanting your real estate services. What you need to do, being a smart real estate marketeer, is you need to position your ad, your business, your real estate business on Google so you get in front of these exact people that are looking for a local real estate business. And that is how you grow your business quickly. And this is how you get high quality leads, because people are coming to you, guys. You're not picking up the phone and you're not cold calling, right? Forget that for now. Just focus on what I'm telling you so you can try it for your own real estate business. So here's how it works, guys, right? You're going to target people that are typing at least 5 different keywords in a sentence on Google. Then you're going to get some ads, right? Guaranteed you're going to get some ads. Now, here's the big mistake that a lot of real estate agents make when they're trying to market their business online, is this. They're too generic, guys. They are same old ads, and it will be in the ads things like real estate agent services, free real estate survey, free real estate quote, all those type of terminology, guys. But that's been around for donkey's years. It's been around for so long, right? Now, this is your ad on Google. And now in your ad, you're going to be very specific in what you're saying. So let's say you've got your customer here, goes to Google. This customer has let's say they have a condo, right? So they're going to Google and they're typing in how to sell my condo. Now you will have an ad on Google that says, are you looking to sell your condo? Yes, I am. Do you need a local trusted real estate agent? Yes, I do. So what you've done in your ad is you've made this person understood. This person is looking for a real estate agent, so looking for a real estate service, right? So what you need to do is, by putting in the things that you know that they're looking for, like a condo, and maybe they're based in, I don't know, New York. Let's say New York, for example, right? So this person gone to Google, I want to sell my condo in New York, right? Now, your ad will say, do you want to sell your condo in New York? Can you see how this and this are tying up? You've got a customer here that wants to sell their condo in New York. Your ad, your business says, do you want to sell your condo in New York? Guys, it matches up. Let's take another example, right? A customer here goes to, excuse my stick men, they're not the best. So they go to Google, and again, they're typing in, using different keywords. They'll be typing in how to find a local real estate agent, right? That will be the phrase. These ads would probably say something like real estate agent services, same old, same old. They are not tapping in to what that person really is looking for. And in this case, is they are looking for a local real estate agent near them. Now, your ad can say something along the lines of, do you want a real estate agent local to you? Question mark. If you do, contact us. And now that person will then come in to your website, right? So the journey is looking for a local real estate agent. Your ad resonates, keyword, resonates with this person. They will then come into your website, and then you will now get the lead. Because what you're doing, which is far better than cold calling, is you're putting yourself in front of the exact person that is looking to hire a real estate agent. When you pick up the phone and you cold call, that person isn't necessarily wanting to use a real estate agent. They probably may not even want to sell their home, right? But what you are doing is you are targeting the right person at the right time, in the right mindset, and you, by using this, and this is what we teach on a much deeper level inside of our Google coaching program, right guys? This process using Google works, and by doing this, you will never need to cold call again, and it's intent. People are looking for real estate agents, they're looking for real estate services. You just need to be smart about it, use the right strategies on Google, and you will get leads, clients, and customers for your real estate agent, for your real estate business without using cold calling methods. Hope this has helped. If you want to find out more training on Google on how to use Google, hit the subscribe button. Some free training going on, guys, right now. In the description, just click that and go and watch the free training. And yeah, hope you've enjoyed this training, and I'll see you on the next training, guys.